Terima kasih for you come to support us. Today, unfortunately, we not get the points that we want. Terima kasih. We want to work hard.
Yuran Fernandes, Erwin Kutawa. Another thing I want to say to you, guys. To make a good game, we need to make a good warm-up.
Pemanasannya kita harus bagus teman-teman, supaya game bagus nanti.
I know that is hot,
Memang panas di luar sana.
but it's hot for the two teams.
Tapi bukan cuma untuk kalian, mereka juga panasan.
We need to make bagus and warm up and not go to sleep there.
Juga ada pemanasan bagus. Bangunkan dirinya kalian di pemanasan.
Make bagus short pass, make bagus long pass. Okay, do you understand? Okay, guys, come on. Let's go to break and make warm up.
Selesai.
Last two. Let's go for the knees. For the last stretch exercises, keeping the count to one leg, open on the side, again back, open again for the side. Okay, come on. Expanding on the side. Okay. Side. Let's go. Open good, guys.
PSM Makassar.
Semua mendoakan satu Makassar, semua ada.
Nomor punggung 66, nomor punggung 13, Faris Aditama.
4 menit. Ayo, bagus.
Okay, guys, as you see today, our stadium don't have too much supporters.
Kalian lihat, tidak terlalu banyak orang, tidak terlalu banyak supporter yang datang.
We need to focus in our game.
Harus fokus ya dalam diri sendiri.
Support your teammate on the bench. Also, we must support our teammates
Teammate
inside.
juga support yang ada di dalam, yang lagi kerja di dalam.
And we just have one way to bring the supporters to us.
Kita cuma punya satu cara untuk bawa supporter kembali.
It's try to make our best game today.
Berikan yang terbaik hari ini, berikan yang terbaik.
When we make the travel from the hotel to here,
Waktu kita datang dari hotel ke sini,
see the face of the kids looking in your eyes
lihat
with proud of
wajah dari
you.
anak-anak yang melihat kalian. Mereka melihat dengan bangga.
They dream to play on your positions. You are the star for them.
Mereka punya mimpi untuk berada dalam tim nanti, untuk bekerja sama seperti kalian.
Many kids desire to be here on the stage to support you. But
Banyak dari mereka punya hasrat, punya keinginan untuk datang ke sini.
But I believe that they are praying, they are glad for you win, for you make your best today.
Saya percaya harapan mereka itu ada. Mereka doa di luar sana untuk kemenangan kalian.
We cannot control if we're gonna win or if we're gonna draw, if we're gonna lose.
Kalian tidak bisa kontrol sebenarnya hasil akhir nantinya.
But we can control that for sure at the end of the match we give everything.
Tapi kalian bisa kontrol usaha, seberapa besar usaha yang kalian berikan di pertandingan. Kalian bisa kontrol ini.
Our last picture, if you remember, we not shoot to the target.
Memori yang kita tinggalkan di pertandingan sebelumnya, kalian tidak shooting. Shooting on targetnya kalian tidak ada.
Today, guys, let's go to try to enjoy to play as a
Hari
team.
ini kita main sama tim.
And all the plays that we try to make, try to shoot to the target.
Dan semua peluangnya kita coba manfaatkan, paling tidak on target.
Guys, nobody go to run for us.
Tidak ada yang akan lari untuk kalian.
Nobody go to have sacrifice for
Tidak ada yang
us.
akan berkorban untuk kalian.
If we want to have more supporters, we must respect the supporters that come today.
Kalau kalian mau supporter lebih banyak datang, kalian harus hargai dulu yang datang. hari ini.
So guys, give your best.
Selesai.
Ayo, bismillah.
Rekan-rekan pers dan fotografer dan juga seluruh penonton yang sudah hadir.
Makasih for you come to support us. Today, unfortunately, we not get the points that we want. Terima kasih. We want to work hard to make better performance and better result. Terima kasih.
PSM! 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 PSM!
Thank you, Coach.
Awas ada ya.
we need to improve, guys. We consider the 2 goals very early on the first half.
Kita masukkan
Second half.
di awal-awal babak kedua.
Everybody, football is passion, is emotion.
Memang sepak bola itu adalah luapan emosi.
But we need to think.
Dan kalian harus berpikir, selalu bisa berpikir.
We need to play more for the sides. See how many balls we win on the front?
Main lebih besar
We
lagi.
come back. Like this. Another thing. We get too much cards speaking.
Jadi kerja keras. Apa yang kalian capai musim lalu itu tidak akan langsung terulang musim ini. Itu tidak akan kembali langsung.
We must be humble. And we must support each other.
Rendah hati dan saling dukung.
Okay, guys? You can go to the ice. Terima kasih.